Welcome, colleagues. In today's lesson, we're going to look at the applications of the parabola. So I wanted to go directly to ellipse, but I remembered that applications for parabolas, it is also an important matter we need to look at. So most questions, they come in picture form, the diagram form, or in word form. So the moment you understand the diagram form, you will be able to be interpreting questions even from the word form and bringing them to diagram form. So we are given this parabola, we are given this paraboid dish. It's a dish which is 12 inches in the horizontal and it is 8 inches in the vertical. Now, we know that this paraboid, its vertex is here. So what we are going to do is, we are going to draw it again here, separate. We are going to redraw it like this. Then I'm going to, now instead of, I'll just draw it like this. Then I'm going to put a straight line. Now its vertex is here. That's why I'll make the y-axis to pass. That's why I'll make the y-axis to pass. Then that's where we are going to have the x-axis as well pass. So now if this is 0, we know that the whole distance, this vertical distance, the whole lot of it, it's 12 inches. So it means here it's 6 and here it's 6. And the vertical distance, it is what? Our vertical distance was given to be 8. Now the question is for you to find out the focus. So now since we are seeing this parabola, we have seen that it is opening what? It is opening upward. So we know since it is opening upward, the formula is x squared is equals to 4py. So now our main agenda is to identify x and y. So now what is our x? Our x is the distance from this distance from the vertex to where our one side of the dish ends, which is here. So the distance from 0 to there, it is 6, it is given. So x is equals to 6 and the vertical distance is what? The vertical distance is 8, which is y. So now since we have x equals to 6 and we have y equals to 8, we can go on and just plug them in our equation. So we have 6 squared is equals to 4p8. Then we just need to make p the subject. So we know that this will be p equal to 6 squared, that's 36, then divided by 8 multiplied by 4. So we are having 16 plus 16, which is going to be 32. So it's 36 divided by 32. It is 36 divided by, which will end up being simplified to 9 over 8. So this is our vertex, which is 9 over 8, which is also, we can simplify it further, but for me I would like it to be in this form because it is a more convenient form. But we can also still divide 8 into 9, which is 1, remainder 1, then divided by 8. So this and this is still the same thing. So our vertex, this is our focus. So our focus, since the parabola was pointing in the y direction, up, it was pointing upward. So we know that our focus is here. So at this point, we know that x will be what? 0, 9 over 8. So this is the final answer. So what you usually notice is if they don't bring the question in the diagram form, they are going to give you the horizontal distance. They will say maybe the horizontal distance is 20, which will stand for x. Then the vertical distance, maybe they will tell you to say it's 8. So you'll be required to draw the paraboid. So when you draw it, it will be 20, then here to be what? To be 8. Now you do the same thing. You put the vertex on the xy plane. Then you understand that the x distance is not 20, but it will be 20 divided by 2. So that's why we did the diagram form, because once we did the diagram form, you'll be able to do the word question. So I'm going to attach a picture of the word question to this video. Before you start the video for ellipses, please make sure to go through this video and answer the following question as well. In addition to that, I'll give you this question. This is a paraboid. And I'll say that its horizontal distance is 30 centimeters. Then its vertical distance, I'll say it is 10 centimeters. So you are required to find the coordinates of the focus. So this was it for this video, friends. Bye bye.